The wait is over because GoPro has come up with this brand new action camera Hero 11 Black with the largest sensor than its predecessor. Surprisingly, GoPro announced another camera which is a compact version of the Hero 11 Black and less expensive, though for that you have to sacrifice something. Anyway, according to GoPro, this mini Hero 11 is mainly designed for those who want peak performance while maximizing portability and simplicity. In today's video, we're going to see which features and specs Hero 11 Mini boasts, and is it really worth it to buy instead of the Hero 11 Black. So without further ado, let's get started. In terms of design, we would like to mention that the Hero 11 Mini lacks a touchscreen unlike the original Hero 11 Black, and can be controlled via GoPro's Quick app. Thankfully, GoPro added a small display on the top which you can find next to the record button. This display, while not doing that much, can allow you to monitor battery life, recording time, resolution, frame rate, and many more. Unfortunately, you have to do the framing on your smartphone. Furthermore, the lens on the Hero 11 Mini looks exactly the same as Hero 11 Black. Also on the front, Hero 11 Mini has a Bluetooth button to connect it to your smartphone. It even comes with two mounting fingers, one at the bottom and one at the back, so you can have flexibility with the various mounts. Plus, Hero 11 Mini is 20 grams lighter than Hero 11 Black. It's built tough to withstand water up to 33 feet. When it comes to shooting video, the Hero 11 Mini equips the same 27 megapixels camera as the regular Hero 11. It's also capable of shooting 5.3K resolution videos at 60 FPS. The new thing is that now you can capture videos with an ultra-versatile 8:7 aspect ratio. The idea here is you can bring out different videos at different aspect ratios with full resolution. It also lets you shoot even wider in a 16:9 aspect ratio with the help of Hyper View mode. Moreover, for a slow motion effect, you can record 4K videos at 120 FPS. The Mini Hero 11 is almost identical to Hero 11 Black in terms of features and performance. It has the same custom GP2 processor, 10-bit color, and pretty much all the same features. As for the stability, the Hero 11 Mini also adapts GoPro's upgraded Hyper Smooth 5.0, which can now be applied automatically based on the speed and movement for the smoothest video possible. With the built-in horizon lock feature, your horizon will stay level even if the camera tilts while recording. Most importantly, it's now part of Hyper Smooth 5.0 to keep things easier than ever and consistent when you rotate the camera. Furthermore, Hero 11 Mini also has new time-lapse presets like QR11. 3 new modes like Star Trails, Light Painting, and Vehicle Light Trails will take your time-lapse game to a whole new level. However, it does not feature GPS and stereo audio. Besides the screens, you won't have another thing in the Mini Hero 11, which is a bigger battery. Instead of a 1720 mAh Enduro battery, the Mini one is equipped with a 1500 mAh Enduro battery. We think that's not going to be a problem due to not having a screen, so a 1500 mAh battery will support you a long time. About the price, the Hero 11 Black will cost you $500, whereas with almost similar features and performance, the Hero 11 Mini will be available at $400. In short, the GoPro Hero 11 Mini has almost everything that the original Hero 11 boasts. It only lacks a colorful touchscreen and bigger battery life. The Mini one is even 20 grams lighter, so we think going for the Mini version is really worth it if you don't have any problem controlling it with a smartphone. So what do you think? Is the Mini version okay for you? We would love to hear from you. Please let us know in the comments section below.
Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment and share with your friends if you have found this video helpful. Subscribe our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.